Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a topic that is crucial to the success of any business: email marketing. In 2023, email marketing is more important than ever, with over 4 billion active email users worldwide. As a marketer, it's essential to understand how to engage your audience and drive conversions through email marketing. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks for better engagement and conversions. Before we dive into the tips, let me share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I was working with a small business owner who was struggling to increase his sales. He had a great product, but he was struggling to get the word out to his target audience. We decided to implement an email marketing strategy, and within a few months, his sales had skyrocketed. This experience taught me the power of email marketing and how it can transform a business. Research. According to a study conducted by HubSpot, email marketing has an average ROI of 42 to 1, which means for every dollar spent on email marketing, businesses can expect to earn $42 in return. Another study by DMA found that 99% of consumers check their email every day, which highlights the importance of having a solid email marketing strategy in place. Tip number 1. Segment your audience. One of the most important things you can do to improve your email marketing is to segment your audience. By segmenting your audience, you can create targeted campaigns that speak directly to their needs and interests. According to Campaign Monitor, marketers who segment their email campaigns see a 760% increase in revenue. This is because when you send targeted messages to your audience, they are more likely to engage and take action. Segmenting your audience is a powerful strategy that can significantly improve your email marketing results. Instead of sending a generic message to your entire email list, you can divide your audience into smaller groups based on specific criteria such as demographics, behavior, interests, or location. This allows you to tailor your message to each group's unique needs and preferences, making it more relevant and engaging. The benefits of audience segmentation go beyond improving engagement and increasing revenue. It also allows you to build stronger relationships with your subscribers by showing that you understand their needs and care about their experience. When your audience feels understood and valued, they are more likely to remain loyal to your brand and become brand advocates. There are several ways you can segment your audience. Some common methods include demographic segmentation. Dividing your audience based on age, gender, income, or other demographic factors can help you create targeted messages that speak directly to their needs. Behavioral segmentation. Dividing your audience based on their behavior can help you create personalized messages that address their specific interests and needs. For example, you can segment subscribers who have recently made a purchase or those who have abandoned their cart. Geographical segmentation. Dividing your audience based on their location can help you create targeted messages that are relevant to their local area. This can be particularly effective for businesses with multiple locations or those that offer location-based services. Psychographic segmentation. Dividing your audience based on their personality, values, or lifestyle can help you create messages that resonate with their unique interests and preferences. By segmenting your audience, you can create more targeted campaigns that are tailored to your audience's unique needs and preferences. This can result in higher engagement rates, increased revenue, and stronger relationships with your subscribers. Remember, the key to successful audience segmentation is to continuously analyze your data and adjust your campaigns based on the results. Tip number 2. Personalize your emails. Personalization is another crucial element of successful email marketing. According to a study by Experian, personalized emails deliver 6 times higher transaction rates. By including the recipient's name, location, or other personal details, you can make your emails more relevant and engaging. Personalization shows your audience that you understand their needs and care about their experience. Personalization is a powerful tool that can help you improve the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. When done correctly, it can help you establish a deeper connection with your subscribers, increase engagement, and ultimately drive more conversions. One of the simplest ways to personalize your emails is to include the recipient's name in the subject line or greeting. This simple touch can make your emails feel more personal and show your subscribers that you value their individuality. However, personalization can go much further than just using someone's name. For example, you can personalize your emails based on the recipient's location or past behavior. If you have a brick-and-mortar store or offer services in multiple locations, you can tailor your messages to the recipient's local area. This can include information about local events, promotions, or even weather updates. Another way to personalize your emails is to use dynamic content. Dynamic content allows you to display different content to different subscribers based on their past behavior or interests. For example, if you know that a subscriber has previously purchased a certain product or browsed a specific category on your website, you can include related products or content in their emails. Personalization can also extend beyond the content of your emails. For example, you can use personalization to send targeted emails based on the recipient's stage in the customer journey. If someone is a new subscriber, you can send them a welcome email with information about your brand and what to expect. If someone has abandoned their cart, you can send them a reminder email with personalized product recommendations. By personalizing your emails, you can make your messages more relevant and engaging, which can lead to higher open and click-through rates. It also shows your subscribers that you understand their needs and are willing to go the extra mile to provide a personalized experience. In summary, personalization is a crucial element of successful email marketing. By including personal details, using dynamic content, and targeting your messages based on past behavior, you can make your emails more relevant and engaging, which can ultimately drive more conversions. Tip number 3. Use a clear call to action, CTA. A clear call to action, CTA, is essential in every email you send. The CTA tells your audience what action you want them to take, whether it's to click through to your website, make a purchase, or sign up for a free trial. According to Campaign Monitor, emails with a single CTA increased clicks by 371% and sales by 16-17%. Make sure your CTA is prominent and easy to understand. A clear call to action, CTA, is one of the most important elements of an effective email marketing campaign. Without a clear and compelling CTA, your subscribers may not know what action to take, which can lead to lower engagement rates and fewer conversions. When creating a CTA, it's important to keep it simple and focused on one specific action. Avoid using multiple CTAs or confusing language, as this can dilute the effectiveness of your message. Instead, use clear and concise language that tells your subscribers exactly what you want them to do. The placement of your CTA is also important. Make sure it stands out visually and is easy to find. Typically, placing your CTA at the end of your email or in a prominent location within the body of your message is most effective. Another important aspect of your CTA is its design. Use contrasting colors and bold text to make your CTA stand out. You can also use arrows or other visual cues to draw attention to your CTA. In addition to the design and placement of your CTA, the wording is also crucial. Use action-oriented language that encourages your subscribers to take immediate action. For example, shop now, download your free guide, or get started today. By using urgent and actionable language, you can create a sense of urgency and encourage your subscribers to take action. Finally, it's important to test different CTAs to see which ones are most effective. A/B testing is a powerful tool that allows you to test different variations of your CTA and see which ones drive the most engagement and conversions. In summary, a clear call to action is essential in every email you send. By keeping it simple, prominent, and focused on one specific action, you can increase clicks and sales. Use contrasting colors, bold text, and action-oriented language to create a sense of urgency and encourage your subscribers to take immediate action. Finally, test different variations of your CTA to see which ones are most effective. Tip number 4. Test and optimize your campaigns. Testing and optimizing your email campaigns is an ongoing process. By analyzing your data and making changes to your campaigns, you can improve your results over time. A/B testing is a great way to test different elements of your emails, such as subject lines, CTAs, or images. According to MailChimp, A/B testing can improve your email marketing ROI by 48%. Testing and optimizing your email campaigns is a crucial step in improving your email marketing strategy. By analyzing your data and making changes to your campaigns, you can improve your results over time and achieve better engagement and conversions. A/B testing is one of the most effective ways to test different elements of your emails. A/B testing involves creating two versions of an email campaign with different elements, such as subject lines, CTAs, or images, and sending each version to a small segment of your email list. After a set period, you can analyze the results to determine which version performed better and then use that version for the rest of your campaign. When conducting A/B testing, it's important to only test one variable at a time. This allows you to accurately determine which element had the biggest impact on your results. For example, if you want to test the effectiveness of different subject lines, make sure the body of the email and other elements remain the same. Another important aspect of testing and optimizing your campaigns is analyzing your data. Make sure you track metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to understand how your campaigns are performing. Use this data to make informed decisions about your campaigns and make changes to improve your results. It's also important to continually optimize your campaigns based on your data and results. Use the insights you gain from testing and analyzing your data to make changes to your campaigns that improve engagement and conversions. For example, if you find that a specific type of subject line consistently performs well, incorporate that style into future campaigns. Testing and optimizing your email campaigns is an ongoing process that can significantly improve your email marketing ROI. Use A/B testing to test different elements of your campaigns and track metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to analyze your data. Continuously optimize your campaigns based on your results to improve engagement and conversions over time. Tip number 5. Use automation. Automation is a powerful tool in email marketing. By setting up automated campaigns, you can save time and improve your results. Automated campaigns can include welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or re-engagement campaigns. According to Epsilon, automated emails have a 119% higher click-through rate than broadcast emails. Email automation is an effective way to improve your email marketing campaigns. By setting up automated campaigns, you can save time and effort while still engaging with your audience in a timely and personalized way. One common type of automated email campaign is the welcome email. Welcome emails are sent to new subscribers to introduce them to your brand and provide them with relevant information. According to Campaign Monitor, welcome emails have an average open rate of 50%, making them an important opportunity to make a great first impression. Abandoned cart reminders are another popular type of automated email campaign. When a customer adds items to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase, an automated email can be sent to remind them to complete their order. According to Brilliance, abandoned cart emails have an average open rate of 45%. Re-engagement campaigns are also a powerful tool in email marketing automation. These campaigns are designed to target subscribers who haven't engaged with your emails in a while. By sending personalized and targeted messages to these subscribers, you can encourage them to re-engage with your brand. According to Experian, re-engagement campaigns can result in a 12% increase in email open rates. Using automation in email marketing also allows you to personalize your messages and send them at the right time. For example, you can send a birthday email to a subscriber on their special day, or a renewal reminder email to a customer when their subscription is about to expire. In summary, using automation in email marketing can save you time and effort while improving your results. Set up automated campaigns such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and re-engagement campaigns to engage with your audience in a timely and personalized way. Use automation to personalize your messages and send them at the right time, ultimately improving your engagement and conversion rates. Conclusion: email marketing is a powerful tool that can transform your business. By segmenting your audience, personalizing your emails, using clear CTAs, testing and optimizing your campaigns, and using automation, you can improve your engagement and drive more conversions. Remember, email marketing is an ongoing process, so keep analyzing your data and making changes to improve your results.